Hi, my name is Tim. I work for Tilcon, Connecticut. I run the excavator, dig in shots that are hard to dig, that the loader can't dig, rough spots in the floor. We also detach the bucket, put a hammer on to break oversized stone. It's also got a grapple so that you can grab stuff like trees and all sorts of stuff like that. We're going to loosen the material up for them. And we're going up on top, which is fun. Here we go. Okay, here we go. We're going to loosen some stone up for this guy. Take it from the bottom, we pull it up, and we try to move it to where he's digging. Just like this. Because it's hard on the bottom and he can't dig it. Loosen up the other side too. Just like this. You can get it from both sides because the machine spins all the way around 360 degrees. You can dig on all sides. Want to take a trip to the top? We can go. Up. These excavators will climb almost to a 90-degree hill. Now we're at the top. This is a face. That's where all this stone came from. It all blasted off this edge. That's what it looked like before we blasted it. Turn around, see up top. See how high we are? Now we're going down. Put the bucket down on the ground. There you go.